Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you another high potential airdrop opportunity from a project called Skale. They are basically a privacy and performance focused blockchain built to bring a billion agents on chain. They already have over 200k followers, and the best part is their token is already listed on many exchanges with the price around 0.01. If you look at their investors, you'll notice lots of big names such as Multicoin Capital, Hashkey Capital and many others. So I think you shouldn't miss the chance to participate in this campaign. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. What you need to do is just click on this link and you will be redirected to this page. First, you need to connect your wallet. Click on Connect Wallet. Then click on Connect with Ethereum. Then choose any of these wallets you want. I'll select MetaMask here. Then click on Connect. And then confirm the request, and you are ready to go. Here you will find lots of tasks that you need to complete one by one. I'll show you some of the tasks and how you can complete them. For example, first you need to connect your X account. For that, click on Connect X. Then authorize the app. And done. Our first task is completed. Next, you need to connect Discord. So click on Connect Discord. Then authorize. And done. Next, let's connect Telegram. Click on Connect Telegram. And done. Next, you can connect your YouTube. Since we already connected our wallet, so just click on Claim. And done. Similarly, here you will find lots of tasks which are very easy to complete. You need to follow, like, retweet, etc. So make sure to complete them all. Let's also complete this task. Here basically you need to visit a website. For that, click on Dive In. Then visit the website. Come back to the airdrop page and click on Claim. And done. Also scroll down, and here you will find daily check-in option, so don't forget to claim your points daily. You will receive 25 points daily. Finally, click on Get My Referral Link, where you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your points. So that's it for this video. Make sure to complete all the available tasks to earn as many points as you can. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.